has helped me in every problem. Thank you for my teachers. Thank the doctors for keeping us safe in COVID.
I feel that one has to be grateful to everything one gets in life, and especially after the pandemic, I've begun to realize the family and its importance and the bonds that we have.
I'm really grateful for my family. Especially I realize, when I go from here, go home, then it's my mother always, ready to pick me up, ready with food. So I'm really grateful for them that I have a blessed family.
At Vega, we value having a positive attitude and having a heart full of gratitude. So we've established gratitude boxes, not complaint or suggestion boxes. We want our learners and our faculty to focus on the positives in life. It's an opportunity for them to write down slips, submit what they're thankful for, and then we read them at the end of the week and we celebrate them. So it's important for us as part of who we are that we want our learners and we want to have an attitude of gratitude that helps develop our culture, where we recognize the positives and we also reach out and we say thank you. Thank you for having an impact on me. I'm thankful for you. This builds such a wonderful family culture at Vega that we want that to be part of their life.
The opposite of negativity is not positivity. The opposite of negativity is actually gratitude. Why is it not positivity? Because it's just so hard to be positive if you're not feeling so good. If someone says, start feeling positive, how do you do that? But a great way to do that is by bringing in a feeling of gratitude for being so grateful for what we have, great health, great relationships, and all the good things we have in life. And it's gratitude then cuts negativity and makes us a positive person.